What you doing, Shell? Let's see, I'm trying to find it. It's too far away, I'm trying to record it.
Oh, are you?
Yeah.
Oh, cool. It's coming from Miguel. Yeah, I'll bring it this way.
Where is it? Oh, there it is.
Can you record it?
Yeah.
Uh-oh, battery's going. Come down for a moment. See? Now all we do is we just go with like this here. Put the battery in. Take the battery out. Pop another battery in.
You're supposed to put it in your mouth?
Oops. Down here again. Okay, working. Yep.
Whoa.
There we go.
Go slower so I can...
Cool, eh?
Yeah. Well,
Even if you make it do this here, just go.
you're kind of getting far away from me.
I'll grab the closer.
Whoa. Okay, say bye-bye.
Bye-bye. Bye-bye. Bye-bye. Look at it go. Uh-oh. Come back. Look out, Brisa!
Say bye.
Bye.